So over here, you can see that I have a file, and if I were to actually go ahead and open this out, you can see that export setting opens up. So you can see that this is what you have. So you got this particular footage, but you can actually see that it is stressed. The source right here is stressed, so the output will be stressed. If I were to actually go around over here and change out, let's say for example, pixel aspect ratio, let's say for example, right here, nothing actually happens. It simply adds in black bars. So the problem right here is with the source itself, where the source pixel is not stressed out correctly. So in order to correct it, you can go around over here onto the source itself, right click, and then interpret out the footage. So here you can see that it says conform to, and the pixel aspect ratio is 1.5 now. This is not correct. Let's say for example, so I want to use square pixels, let's say for example right here, so that it is not stressed. So other settings is chosen right here. So if I were to press OK right here, you will be able to see that it has been corrected now. But if you need to stretch it, then you actually need to go around over here onto interpret footage again. If it is squeezed from the other side, you can go around over here and choose other option as fit. Then once you do that and then go to export settings right here, you'll be able to see that it gets stressed out right here. In our case, we need to go around over here onto the interpret footage and select, let's say, square pixels itself. And this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and change out the source scaling itself inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe